Hello students, welcome to the science class. Today's topic is joints and muscles. In this lesson, we shall learn more about the types of joints and kinds of muscles. What are joints? Joints are places where two bones are joined together. Even though the skeleton is hard and rigid, it can bend and move at places where two bones are joined. Bones are held together at joints by stretchy bends called ligaments. Muscles are attached to bones by strong tissues called tendons. Types of joints. Depending on their movements, joints are classified into two groups: movable joints and immovable joints. Movable joints are of four types: hinge joint, pivot joint, gliding joint, ball and socket joint. Immovable joints are fixed joints which do not move. Hinge joints. This joint allows movement only in one direction, like the hinge of a door. Your knees, elbows, fingers, and toes have hinge joints. Pivot joints. This joint allows movement sideways, up and down. This joint is present between your skin and first two vertebrae. Gliding joint. In this joint, the bones can slide over each other. Your wrist and ankles have gliding joints. Dear students, in this slide, you can see the movements of the gliding joint in the ankle. Ball and socket joint. In this joint, the end of the bones is round like a ball and it fits into a hollow socket of the other bone. This joint allows movement in all directions. Your hips and shoulders have ball and socket joints. Here you can see the movement of the ball and socket joint in your shoulder. As we know, there are two kinds of joints, that is, movable joints and immovable joints. Sutures are immovable joints that are completely filled with very short interconnecting fibers that appear like stitches or sutures. This type of joint is found only in the skull and nowhere else in the body. The immovable nature of the sutures fixes the cranial bones in position as a protective adaptation that protects the brain. Do you know that you have to keep your joints healthy? How are we going to do that? We can only do that through the exercises. Exercises helps us to strengthen our joints, like walking, swimming, cycling. We can strengthen the muscles around the joints through pilates and yoga, which are great workouts to try. Always maintain a healthy weight. Let's learn more about the muscular system. Nearly 650 muscles are present in your body. Muscles are bundles of fiber found under your skin and over your bones. Muscles are made of tough elastic tissues. Muscles are also present in your heart, stomach, and intestines. Kinds of muscles. The muscles in your body are of three kinds: voluntary muscles or skeletal muscles, involuntary muscles or smooth muscles, cardiac muscles. So what are voluntary muscles? The muscles that are under your control are called voluntary muscles. They contract powerfully and quickly. The muscles in your legs and arms are voluntary. Involuntary muscles or smooth muscles. These are the muscles that are not under your control. The muscles in your stomach, intestines, and blood vessels are involuntary muscles. You can't control this type of muscle. The third kind of muscle is cardiac muscle. These are tough muscles present in your heart. They are involuntary and work throughout your lifetime, working tirelessly. Muscles are an important part of one's body and we need to take care of them. Activity time. Students, here are a few questions for you all. Please write down the answers. In your free time, try making a handcraft of muscles of your hand using materials available at home. Students, I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you and happy learning.